Now coming to the vagina, once more it's a repeated question of stratified, squamous, non-keratinized epithelium is what need to be remembered. 8 kg boy, how much should be the fluid intake is a very important question. For the maintenance, calculation of fluid requirements is a favorite question of the examiner. For weight less than 10 kgs, 100 ml per kg. So 8 kgs child require 800 ml per day. For weight 10 to 20 kgs, 100 ml per kg per day for the first 10 kgs plus 50 ml per kg per day for every kg above 10 kgs. Like a kirana merchant, you must be sure on these calculations as a pediatrician because tomorrow's exam require it. When you consider nocturnal enuresis, normal up to what age group? Normal up to 6 years, while it is normal up to the age of 4 years, even if it is daytime, is what need to be remembered. When will the newborn will be doubling in his height? Every mother and father will be waiting for a newborn to double his height, triple his height and become as tall as them. So you must remember 30% increase will be there by 5 months, more than 50% by 12 months, and they grow by 25 centimeters during the first year, and the height at 4 years is about double that of the birth height, is what we need to fundamentally appreciate. The weight of the child, when will it be tripling, doctor? Obviously the next question. Doubles by 6 months, triples by 1 year, quadruples by 2 years, and annual increase is 2 kgs per year, but it depends on how many pizzas the child is eating, etc., etc. Now coming to the 8-month-old baby, what he can be able to do? He can't do pincer grasp because 9 to 10 months is pincer grasp. Standing without support of papa, mama, anybody is 12 months. Saying mama is by 9 months is what you need to remember. Now normal weight of an infant of 1 year from the birth compared to birth, when will it, what happens by 1 year, doctor? It will be tripling by 1 year. 3 kg old child becomes 9 kg or 10 kg or 8 kg by the time it is the first birthday. But we will order for a 10 kg cake to take care of that 9 kg child on his first birthday. That's called celebration. Now a child of 3 years, what are the important developmental milestones is what need to be remembered. Copying a circle is 3 years, riding a tricycle is 3 years, copying a cross is 4 years, copying a triangle is more complex, it is 5 years. So what does a child of 4 years will be able to do? He can be able to skip, he can go downstairs 1 foot per step, he can tell a story about what happened, it can be a love story in the LKG. But how about a triangle? Copying triangle will take 5 years is what need to be remembered, unless the child is an Archimedes or a superior Einsteinian brain. Now coming to the VLBW, what is the basic definition, doctor, for very low birth weight baby? Whenever the body is weighing less than 1.5 kg, you basically call it as very low birth weight. Some of you are going to be the pediatricians who are going to manage VLBW is what need to be remembered. So that brings us to the end of the today's marathon, doctor. Lot of you may be getting ready for a Diwali celebration, but anyway, probably some questions we may be wrong. Unless you correct, how can we improve? Please shoot your objections, doctor. Sir, what about AP students in NEET, sir? I forgot the parrot in the home. There is a parrot astrology. Ask the parrot, will the NEET will be there or not? So many things are available. Let's wait, doctor, don't worry until Monday. Monday evening. Agar Monday evening, if it is postponed to next Monday evening, it may get postponed until you write. So don't worry, keep reading, it doesn't matter. It's only a matter of 100 days here and there. Not 100 days, 120 days, okay. We are all living in the world of denial. Let's pray everywhere that we get a chance to write March exams, even we too want as a teacher, because we'll have a longer opportunity to stay in touch with you. But any exam is ultimately no other choice. Is there any negative marking? No negative marking, sir. Luckily, in the NEET exam, because we don't know what's the reason they did not put negative marking. All right. Anybody would like to propose any mistakes in the key? One or two. How do you find the practice paper of NEET? You mean the original practice paper given by the national board? It's relatively easier, but I presume, just like you might have taken DNB primary exam recently, it should not be a tough paper. It should be more or less a cakewalk, because screening test papers are cakewalk. DNB primary is also easy, provided you know the standard questions, standard answers. Okay, doc. Now, question number 102. Please go to 102. Vizag rises the doubt. 102. Question number 102. B. Dopamine. Right? I too thought dopamine. Yeah, it required a change, doctor. Dopamine also, in my opinion, is not an appropriate option among them. They will change 1 or 2. Objection sustained. Coming to Shankar, question number 85. 85. Yes, operation theatres are sterilized by between formaldehyde fumigation and ethylene oxide. I think we will check between the two. I feel ethylene oxide, but we will, yeah, this need to be checked. Question number 85 also requires some serious checking. Yeah. Then 191. Vizag says 191. 1 minute. Yeah, 191. Which of the following is true of shock? All of them are possible. There should not be a very big doubt about 191. Okay, Vizag proposes 162. Objection overruled. 191, 162. Myocardial oxygen consumption is definitely, do you think, rate? I know. But it is myocardial fiber tension which is most important factor of all the factors which have been mentioned over here, ultimately between contractility and heart rate. Now, yes, 162 overruled. Okay. Yeah, we are very much there on the Facebook. I thought FB is Fool's book. You mean Facebook? Good. We are there on Facebook. We will put in the home page of Online MBBS tomorrow to add to the likes so that we can always have a discussion anytime. Now coming to Kakinada, question number 202. Hemorrhage leads to Hemorrhage leads to hypovolemic shock. What's a surprise about question number 202? Hemorrhage leads to hypovolemia. Yes. Then Vizag says 167. Yes, 167. Most important in etiology, you like to say HDL? 167. What is your proposal, doctor? 167. Why not D? All of them, but most important is LDL. The word most important makes LDL get qualified. Yes. Then the question number. Question number I think we are done with question number 167. Yes, doctor. So nowadays Google Plus also is a very good community to hang around as much as the Facebook. Many times in the airport traveling here and there to deliver a lecture, but nowadays we stop traveling here and there. We are staying in Hyderabad and making ourselves available to everybody. Earlier days when we need to hang a long time in the airport, those days Facebook, Google Plus, they all used to be more, bigger presence used to be there. But anyway, doctor, preparation, whole things have changed, are changing. Nowadays it is no more sit in the reading room and spend dark hours. No. Nowadays a lot of information is there on the internet, and having a internet line, computer definitely makes a huge difference because socialization is all about ultimately tomorrow as doctors we are going to be in the Facebook of every patient. So that's the reason yes, it should be a good supplement. We will try to put the Facebook icon on the homepage of Online MBBS. You can add into the friends list, and then we can definitely have continuity any point of time. So sure, we will come up with those 500 topics tomorrow. Thank you for a patient listening everybody, and a enjoyable winter. Thank you.